Well, you must probably be wondering how you're going to travel with your things. How can you travel with extra kilograms? Hey, don't be worried. This video is for you. So, if you're soon traveling, or you're planning on traveling, or you're just stuck, you don't know how to travel with extra kilograms or how many kilograms you should be having when traveling back home or traveling to another country, especially to those people who are going back home, this video is for you. So, kindly watch until the end. I have a lot for you. Last time I posted a video and I realized in most cases some people don't watch until the end, and then they end up asking some questions, and then yet I've answered those questions in that very video. So endeavor to watch until the end. I always tackle about everything that I'm supposed to talk about here. So hey, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Shakirah, my love. We talk about fashion, beauty, makeup, sewing, designing, lifestyle development, and all that. So if you're interested in one of the above mentioned, kindly go ahead and subscribe, hit that notification bell so that you don't miss anything whenever I post a video. How amazing that. So today we are going to talk about traveling. So due to the fact that I'm yet to go back home, I have other friends or other people that are going back home. Of course, I didn't come alone, and even those that I didn't come with, I know there are a lot of people who are having questions about packing, about kilograms, about how to travel with what and what you should not take with you. So this video is for you. Please watch until the end. So just like I promised you last time, I told you I'm going to give you 4 videos this month, okay? So this is the second video that I'm giving you, and the next video is coming in a few days, and it will be about motivating you. So first of all, thank you for subscribing, whoever who subscribed. Last time I told you to go in the comment section and tell me why you subscribed, which kind of content made you subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thank you for being part of this squad, okay? I really appreciate. So don't forget to give this video a like, a thumbs up, and share with others who may be in need of this information. First of all, well, when traveling, you have to know quite a number of things before you go in a market or in a mall, or you get your phone and go online. Before you shop a lot of things, you have to ask yourself a lot of questions, quite a number of questions, not so many, but quite a number of questions. So there are some things that you have to avoid. One, things that weigh a lot, things that have got too much kilograms. Maybe some of you are going to be asking yourselves, I will say you bought sewing machines. Yes, I did. I bought sewing machines, but I calculated and I made a lot of research about it before I went into investing in them, because I never wanted to get my money and then get a sewing machine or sewing machines, and then I reached the airport and then they told me, you know what, you're leaving this. No. So I made research before going into that. And then how am I going to travel with them, because it's not one? Well, I don't have a lot of things. I didn't buy a lot of things. I bought my sewing machines and some sewing equipment that I needed really so bad. And then my personal things, like I didn't buy clothes. I didn't buy a lot of things here. You know why? Because why should I buy things? Why should I get money and buy clothes yet I can get them in Uganda? Like why? Why should I go and buy a pair of shoes then yet I can get them from home? So I didn't do that. I didn't make that mistake. So that is point number 1. If you think you're not sorry to be disturbed or to waste a lot of money at the airport or to be disturbed, kindly buy your things when you're calculating the kilograms, because you don't want to waste your money and then you go there, they tell you you're going to leave this. You leave your expensive things. You wasted money, you invested time. Getting them was a tug of war, and then never quick. So don't buy a lot of things. Just don't. that will save you. Save that money, go home, you buy those things. Things are there, support your own. Okay, so I didn't buy a lot of things. How am I going to travel with my machines? Of course, I will be showing you how I'm going to pack them for them to be safe. I pray nothing happens to them because they are damn expensive and I love them so much. So I'll be showing you when I reach home how I'm going to be packing them, and yeah, I'll be showing you the whole process about packing and how I traveled with them. So by number, don't buy a lot of things. 2, if you have your money and you feel like you don't want, like there are some things that you need, you really can't go without, it's okay, buy them, but keep some money on you or with you, because like it or not, you have to spend. So to some people, because me, I came with a company and I have to go back to the company, so they have to process everything. So when I'm going with other people. I'm not going alone because I didn't come alone, and it's not only me who's going back. You understand? So this is what you should do. You have to get someone, maybe your friend, someone you trust, and someone who doesn't have a lot of things. So you buy their kilos. This is how you do it. You communicate, you talk to them. Because a lot of people have got a lot of things, and if you don't do it in advance, so jatukanga, you have no way out. So you will reach there. Maybe we have a garment luggage beramu 43 kilograms, and then you have 60. You can get someone with less kilograms. You pack that bag. You don't put those things in her bag. Okay, you pack your suitcase. No take kilograms is esisani dezibetaga, and then the rest of the kilograms you pack them in another suitcase. You give, when you're going back, mugenda mwina, you have your suitcase. Then we were to kanibagamba, they have to measure that, like ojuoli yinaberanga aina 2 luggage. I was going to say 2 luggages. 2 luggage, and then yobero mwade senteze, or you can also mwanga mutuse to be on safe side. So niena itao. Then when you reach there, when you reach at the airport, at home, it's your bag. Because a business, so you get someone, you buy their kilograms, less kilograms, you give her some money, mutesa. I'm going to give you this. I want you to just which is the most simplest thing. If you get someone you trust and someone who is not hard, but of course I'm traveling so you have to be keen, because sigamambo you have to be there, so you have to be careful when doing that you can do. You have to make research. You have to do research before you travel. You have to do research about the airline and how many kilograms they give. Like, you have to, just in case you're not going to, it's you who's going to pay for your flight and everything. You have to make that research. Emirates, okay, how many kilograms do they give? Hand luggage, how many kilograms do they allow? So by the time you go at the airport, you have to be with this amount of kilograms for you not to be disturbed. So make research before anything. So you can even do that before buying things. Safe side, so that I'm not supposed to exceed this amount. I'm not supposed to exceed this number of kilograms. For example, if you're using Emirates, online, if you don't have anyone to ask, you go online, you have your phone, you have your Wi-Fi or your data, go online, research, use your phones, guys. For example, if you're using Emirates Bagaba economy, you can carry 2 bags each, not exceeding, if you're in economy class, 23 kilograms. If you're in business class, you have you don't have to exceed 32, and then first class you don't have to exceed 32, of which they allow 2 bags. That is Emirates. And then on carry-on or hand checked in baggage or luggage, they allow you to be, if you're from those 2 classes, the business class and first class, they allow you to be with up to 9 kilograms also logboarding and avio. And then ubirangolemu economy class, they allow you to be with not more than 7 kilograms. So you need that information, okay? You need that information. So you have to be sure of the airline you're going to use, and then you research about it. You be sure. Ole me kutsumbuira ku airport, bana airport enyiza. At least you save yourself that burden. Ogenengoli so sure, okay? Another thing that you have to do, you have to book. You have wobero sajonti ogena kusasulira extra kilograms. If you're sure that if you want to pay for the extra kilograms, book and pay for them in advance. Etiquette ye jenge konti. Yes, the airline allows 43 kilograms, and then I have 20 extra kilograms. So you pay for them. Etiquette ye jenge eriko. Like you've paid for it, everything is said, so they're not going to disturb you. But thousands and thousands of people are traveling every hour. So just imagine that they are going to stress you, they're going to frustrate you, and no one wants to travel when they are stressed and depressed about their things. And if you don't do that, a lot of things, your things are going to get lost at the airport. They are going to be taken. They are going. You can never look airport. Abantu just know those people are thieves. So pay for the extra kilograms in advance. Etiquette already. So you're not going to face a lot of challenges. Okay? I hope I'm communicating. You don't have to don't carry unnecessary things. Only could carrying towels, 10 towels. For what? You're gonna tell it towels. Only carrying a couple for what? Like you guys. Yes, I know you love them, but there are a lot of good things in Uganda. That's why I told you, or in your country. That's why I told you, you don't have to buy things that you can get from home, like things that you can easily access when you go back home. Don't carry unnecessary things, because they are going to disturb you and you're going to be panicking at the airport. Bagamba reduce on the kilograms, and you're going to lose your things. You're going to lose the important things just because you didn't think about that. So leave other things behind. You can get them from home to avoid that stress and losing your things. Just don't carry unnecessary things. Tomusanga carrying uniforms over doko ya mozi twala. Like, where are you taking them? So that's what I had for you today. I wish you the best, and I wish you success in everything that you're doing, and let's wait for the next video. Please make sure you subscribe, hit the notification bell, and help me share my YouTube with others. Otherwise, I'm stopping here. Bye bye. Take care.